So recently we posted just a photo before and after of something that was done to a patient's eyes. This is something that I do every single day, but I never post photos about it because it's just kind of normal for me. However, we decided this time to post a photo. And we got an amazing, incredible, and exaggerated, unexpected response.
I was so shocked when I saw the before and after. I came to see Dr. Talei. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to get done. He looked at me and he said, I need to do this to your eyes.
Some fillers placed in her infrabrow, or just above her eyelid crease.
I didn't even know that it was possible.
And what this did was it took a hollow and slightly aged upper eyelid and brow, volumized it, and made the brow look lifted. It looks younger, it looks fuller.
And it was amazing because I always would look at my eyes and thought I had very almond-shaped, Ukrainian-looking eyes, and they were hooded, lidded, you know, heavy lids. And as I got older, I noticed that I had a hollowing out of my eyelids. And so he wound up putting that in, and I was amazed because my eyes actually look like they did when I was younger. I'm so happy.
Oh, wow.
And the eyelids look not only less crepey, it looks like the entire orbit has been operated on. It looks like she had an upper eyelid surgery removing skin, but she didn't.
I didn't even know that that was possible, that you could put filler in your upper lids and it would, I didn't even know.
She was just deflated in that region and had little shadows here and there and peaks, and now she looks smooth and soft, younger.
I mean, I didn't even realize that they were hollowed out until he did that to my eyes.
And she specifically said over and over again,
Oh my God, I have my old eyes back.
Oh my God.
So she thought her eyelids and the eye shape had changed, but it hadn't over time. It's just she had lost volume on top of it.
And I didn't even realize that it was because I lost fat in that area.
It's very easy to restore. We use Restylane through a cannula inserted through the forehead or brow, and it comes down. It's very comfortable and easy to place. It took only 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes, and she is ecstatic with the results without having had to do surgery.
So it's so interesting that just something so slight would make such a difference, and that I didn't even have any idea that that was possible. Like, I had no idea people put filler up here.
We always advise place less than you think is necessary because it can draw water slowly in over the next couple of months, and these things are not always fully predictable. So you want to go nice and easy with it. It's better to underfill and add later. And you never use a product that is permanent. You never use a product like Juvederm in the upper eyelids. It can cause a lot of problems and edema.
But it's pretty amazing seeing what everybody thought I had done. I mean, they thought I had my cheeks done, which I never did. They thought that I had a brow lift. That wasn't the case.
So I advise patients just use Restylane or Bellotero. Play it safe. There's no reason to use any other product when you know you have these and they're safe.
So let me read some of the comments to you. It's really funny. Under eyelid filler. Well done, Dr. Talei. I didn't do my under eyes at all, so that was interesting. Brow lift and cheek lift. Nope, didn't do that either. These are my cheeks, and I did not have a brow lift, so that was kind of funny. Everybody thought I had an upper left, which I didn't. Under eye filler. Everybody thinks I had under eye filler, and I didn't have under eye filler. Nothing was done here, but it's interesting that because of this, people think that I had that done. Here's another one. The best is a little preparation H around the eyes. We'll do that temporarily. Yeah, I don't think so. It had nothing to do with around the eyes. It was the lid. And then everybody thought I had a brow lift. No brow lift, but I guess it gives the illusion of having a brow lift, which is pretty interesting. So I'm really grateful. I feel like my eyes look like they did when I was young again. And I'm never going back.